This is the X8R video demonstrating our Vauxhall and Opel Corsa clutch assist spring, suitable for all Corsa D and E's manufactured between 2006 to 2019. The OEM spring installed from factory is poor quality and often snaps under pressure. It can also become detached from the back of the clutch pedal. This spring is also situated high up on the clutch box, causing unnecessary pressure on the spring. The spring snaps, causing the clutch pedal to fall to the floor, which in turn makes it challenging to change gears. The original spring is time-consuming to replace, as the pedal box would need to be removed entirely, making it an expensive repair if carried out by a garage. On average, 5 hours or more would be quoted. The new spring would also be likely to snap, so the repair would need to be carried out again and again. The X8R clutch assist spring is precision-engineered from high-strength carbon steel, which won't snap like cheap imitation products. The X8R spring will rectify poor clutch control issues immediately. The X8R spring fits at the front of the pedal box on 2 existing mating surfaces. No tools or mechanical experience are needed to install this product, and it can be fitted in 2 minutes. Firstly, locate the 2 mating surfaces. One is on the front of the pedal box next to the clutch pedal, and the other is on the underside of the clutch pedal. Simply clip the clutch spring into both of these surfaces, with the U-shaped end hooking into the front of the pedal box and the other side hooking underneath the clutch pedal. This is the installation complete. This product is available for purchase via the link in the description. If you have any questions, please do not hesitate to contact us on the telephone number or email address on the screen.